What's happening, VIC-A-LATAR? Where we at? YouTube VIC-A-LATAR.
Man,
Woo! So we're gonna put the truck to the test, huh? Alright.
That's C4 bumper.
Oh, C4 right
yeah,
there.
Yeah,
What kind of grill's that?
That's custom made car right there.
Oh, is that from DB?
DB custom.
Okay, okay.
Tight.
Carbon fiber hood, okay.
Added attachment, looking sweet as hell.
Alright. What size tires you running over here?
35.
35 to those Toyos?
Yeah, Toyo.
On the stock TRD rims?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, wait, didn't you have those new rims coming in?
They're gonna be coming in, but these are still strong as fuck though.
Yeah,
Tires all
alright.
tight. Good
You're going bigger, right? You're going 37s, aren't you? Because you got the 6-inch. No, don't you got the 6-inch
lift kit?
ours rough country lift, right?
Yeah.
All right, so let's do a walk around real quick. Let's show everyone what you're working with. What year is it? 2010? Okay, 22. Oh, look, you can see the C4 right here.
Yeah, C4. Custom made bumpers. Added tack on. Get the shit out of that.
Oh, you got the reverse lights?
Let me get the little thing.
Oh, the step?
Yeah.
Okay.
Looks like that.
Oh shit, damn, you got a messy truck in the back. You got noodles in the back?
Is it?
Yeah.
Clean that up.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright.
But that truck, man, awesome truck, buddy.
So,
this truck is tight.
what do you say from when you first seen it stock as of now?
Total big difference.
Do you feel like the performance?
I feel bigger. Man, we took this thing all the way up to like towards the mountains and shit, man. This thing is good on snow, highway performance, street performance.
What about mud and sand and all that?
The mud too, but the thing about these little things, you want to like really like give it a good torque, but all around the truck is a good truck, man. It's an awesome truck.
Okay. Oh wait, don't you get the Starlight roof?
Yeah, I got shot.
Oh, we'll show them after. But we're gonna do a couple obstacles. So we're gonna do the sand and water, and then we're gonna do some of those obstacles. We'll get it all on video. No drinking and driving, Vic. So we're out here at Perry City, and we're gonna give this motherfucker a fucking shot. See how this motherfucker do.
It's a bad truck, man. I mean,
try it out, Vic.
All right, the bumpers.
Let's do it. Get some footage for YouTube.
The bumper's tight as hell, man.
Everyone's talking shit about these trucks, but let's put them.
Nah. This truck is a good truck, brother. I drive Chevys because I custom tie Chevys.
Yeah.
But and all in all, like Tundra is a hella good ass truck, man. You can't go wrong with this truck.
All right, well, let's put it together. Let's get some footage.
Go that bitch. Go, good. Keep punching, keep punching. Doing good. Punch it up. Punch it. Got another rider right here. He did a good job too.
Yo, VIC-A-LATAR, where are you going?
I think a wizard right now, bro.
Alright, so out of all the obstacles we just went through, what do you think?
Fucking chilling, bro.
So, do you like Perry City? Perry City cool?
Perry City's tight.
Not bad, huh?
Yeah, it's all big and shit. What was Perry City before?
Oh shit, Vic.
What?
I broke my shot.
I know. I said that's what I said. That's what I said.
Holy shit.
Lower. Lower.
Holy shit, the whole shit broke.
Drive it.
Holy shit.